Welcome to the session Long Run Equilibrium of a Firm Under Perfect Competition. In the last class, we were discussing about short run equilibrium of the firm under perfect competition. Such a short run equilibrium of the firm can be of supernormal profits, normal profits, or it can be of minimum losses. If all the firms are having identical cost conditions, then all firms will face the same type of situation. But if they are having different cost conditions, they will be facing different situations of profit or loss. In the long run, new firms can enter and existing firms can leave the market. Another thing is there is no fixed cost in the long run. So we know the loss can be only up to the fixed cost. In the long run, all factors are variable. If firms enjoy supernormal profit, then what happens is that new firms will be attracted and new entries will come. So what happens? The firm's supply will increase and the price will fall. This again will lead to normal profit situation. So a perfectly competitive firm will have only normal profit, no loss during the long run, because there is free entry and exit of firms in the long run. This figure depicts the long run equilibrium of firm under perfect competition, and that using TR and TC method. So total revenue and total cost is given with respect to the output. So in the figure, this is the figure 7, we have given output at the x-axis, then at the y-axis cost and revenue is given. Here total revenue is a straight line passing through the origin. Total cost curve is also starting from 0, that is it. In short run it was not starting from 0, in short run it was starting from somewhere above the origin in y-axis, because there were fixed cost. But here in the long run, there is no fixed cost, so it is starting from TC is starting from 0. E is the equilibrium point, that is E is the point where TR is tangent to the TC. At all other levels of output, the firm is having losses because TC is greater than TR. So at equilibrium, the firm earns just normal profits. Long run equilibrium of the firm under perfect competition can also be analyzed using MR-MC method. So in this figure 8, in the x-axis we have output. In the y-axis we have price, cost and revenue. Long run average revenue and long run marginal revenue is given as LAR and LMR. And LAC is the long run average cost, LMC is the long run marginal cost. Then we know the perfect competition, so price is equal to LAR is equal to LMR. Price is equal to average revenue is equal to marginal revenue. Price is determined in the industry by the intersection of demand and supply, we know that. Then long run average cost is U-shaped, long run marginal cost is cutting long run average cost at its minimum point, and equilibrium is at the point E, where long run average revenue is equal to long run average cost. That is AC is equal to AR. That means the firm earns only normal profit in the long run. So AC is equal to AR. Then firm produces at the minimum average cost or minimum AVC at long run equilibrium. That means the firm has productive efficiency at equilibrium. Firm produces at the minimum average cost. That is productive efficiency. Then at the equilibrium of the perfectly competitive firm in long run, it is also having allocative efficiency. It is because price is equal to marginal cost of production. Then these are the two features of a perfect competitive firm in the long run. Okay, it is an equilibrium. Then in the previous video, I have explained how a firm under perfect competition achieves equilibrium in short run. And now we have seen how a firm under perfect competition achieves equilibrium in the long run. We have examined it both ways, that is using TRTC method and MRMC method as well. In the short run equilibrium, a firm can have supernormal profit, normal profit, or minimum loss. There are three cases of equilibrium in the short run. But in long run, the equilibrium is only characterized by the normal profit. So firm earns only normal profit in long run because there is free entry and exit, and any case of profit other than normal profit, or it may be losses, that won't be sustained in the long run equilibrium. Okay, because there is free entry and exit of firms. So thanks for watching. I hope all of you had a nice learning experience. Thank you.